everyone, welcome into the studio. I am Ann and this is Annmakes. I hope you will consider subscribing to the channel if you like to see videos about product unboxing, arts and crafts supply hauls, DIYs, how-tos, all pertaining to the arts and crafts. Some of it's very easy and some of it's more advanced. So if you're into that type of thing, please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button below or on the Annmakes in the corner of the screen. And clicking on the bell from YouTube means you want to be notified whenever I post new content. Today I have an unboxing, I guess, and also a swatch with me video on these Marabu art crayons that I recently purchased through Amazon. All links will be provided in the description below. Links to the main Amazon haul of my new art supplies. There will be an iCard in the top of the screen there. And so today we are looking at these art crayons. They are a watercolor crayon. They are artist grade. They are light fast, and I will have more information for you in the next part, which has already been filmed, of the video for you. So please enjoy. The Marabu art crayons are watercolor crayons. As the packaging says, they are great to use in mixed media. They are for wet and dry techniques. The four colors included in the set are the flesh color, cocoa, white, and black. And it says that it's a highly pigmented, water-soluble wax crayon with smooth, soft consistency. The vivid, light, fast colors can be smoothly mixed for brightly colored blending and a watercolor appearance when combined with water. Also ideal for producing backgrounds, wipe stenciling, and stamping, as well as linking mixed media projects used on paper, canvas, wood, etc. And there's more information online. It is a Marabu product. It is made by Marabu North America. And once I've opened this package, I will begin swatching. As with most coloring mediums that enter my studio, I like to swatch out a sample of each one. It is a good way for me to keep track of what I have and also to see what the actual medium looks like when applied to a surface such as paper. And I'm applying the Marabu crayons. I'm just, scribbling some of the colored wax on there, smudging a little bit with my finger. And now I'm going to show you how they spread very nicely with just a little bit of water. And I'm just playing with the amount of water because these are brand new to me. And I noticed that they don't take a lot of water, and actually just having a damp finger is enough to move the soluble wax around. Now I'm not making a fine piece of art here. I am just playing around with the crayons to get a feel for them. So please excuse the lack of finesse in this work. And here I'm smoothing out the water-soluble crayon with a wipe as well as a brush to show you that you can use just a little bit of damp finger and it works. I hope you found this swatching with me and the little bit of art that I did fun. If you like this video and you'd like to see more, please give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate any comments and questions below. I do reply to all of them eventually. So I hope you'll consider getting your crayons out and having some fun with them. I will have links for this product in the description below. The link, I will try to put the same link that I used on Amazon, and please consider that it is an affiliate link, so if you do choose to purchase through that link, I do make a small commission, so thank you for that. So thank you very much again for stopping by, and until next time, stay crafty. Bye.